100%, 110%. And I see Richie right here. He got the coin market cap
Oh
up.
man, you guys got me ready for the year.
Yeah, and if if you start looking at coin market cap, we see if you look at the fear and greed index, right now it's at 58%, right? And that's with Bitcoin at 64,000.
Can you explain to the people more or less what the fear and greed index is?
Yeah, so when you go to CoinMarketCap, and if you are someone who's new to crypto, I suggest you go to CoinMarketCap for all your crypto information. But when you look at the fear greed index, it kind of tells you how the market feels, right? If the lower the number, the more fear is in the market, right? The more unsteady the market is, the more greed, people are extremely bullish. That's where you kind of want to start taking profits. So for the people that don't know when to take profits, look at the fear greed index. When you see it at 60, 70, 80%, that's when you want to start taking profits. Right now it's at 58%. That's a good signal to start buying in right now, right? So right now there's a bit of fear in the market with Bitcoin sitting at 64. So people kind of think like it's going to pull back.
So to break it down for everybody, I know you said when the chart is saying that it's greedy, it's time to sell, right?
Yeah, because you see right now it's at 58%, but if you look at the fear greed index, somewhere around like 70% or 80, it's going to be right in that green mark, and at that green mark, that's not the buy signal, that's the sell signal.
So for those who are outside the market right now and they want to purchase in, what should they be looking for? What indication?
I would say number one, the fear greed index. That's a really good indication on when's a good time to buy or sell. And right now, me looking at it, in my opinion, I think it's a great time to start getting in on some gems, right? And for the people who are trying to make a good amount of money in this market, I would say, man, stay clear of Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin is the safest asset, right? If you don't have big money to put in Bitcoin, you're not going to make a lot of money. I would start looking at gems like LCX, right? Some altcoins with low market caps but with high potential. You have LCX, right? You even have Solana. I think Solana is going to be huge in Solana's ecosystem. I mean, you have Louis who is like a Solana expert right now, who's really getting in crazy, degenerating into these meme coins, making a good amount of money, man.
Making some money. Nothing too crazy. I don't want to disclose the amount of money I've been making.
No, definitely don't disclose the amount of money, but he's definitely killing it.
But yeah,
it's making some.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah,
it's definitely good. Just like any meme coin, their opportunity to make money is there. You just need to know when to pull out. The thing is, a lot of people, they get into the meme coins and they're like, I'm going to wait till it hits $1. You can't be that guy. What happens?
I know a guy who was waiting for Dogecoin to hit $1 years ago. It never did.
it still has the opportunity to.
Now it is, but that was 3 years ago.
Hey, but it went up to, what was the all-time high for Doge? Was it
70 something?
74 cents.
Hey, look, Richie knows, man.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, 74 cents.
Let me tell you something. I didn't know what cryptos were until he posted about Dogecoin on Facebook, and then I Googled it. I'm like, what the hell is cryptos?
Yeah,
and that's how I got into it.
So Louis ended up putting his uncle Richie on to crypto. Now, what was the first meme coin you've ever purchased?
Well, let me tell you something. I got lucky sometimes. One day Nico called me about
Safe Moon.
Safe Moon, remember that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when it first came out, we were talking about Safe Moon.
I was like one of the first to put money into it. I put $1,000. I think a week later it was like 15,000.
Oh my!
And then
goodness.
I was able to catch out at 12,000.
Oh my!
Because it was crashing so fast. But that was within a week. Right?
Oh, ever since then, Richie's been hooked, and we'll stay into constant communication when it came to crypto. And I want to say, like a year ago?
Well, the reason I kind of lost track is because I had a lot of money in what was that exchange that went bankrupt?
Voyager.
And Voyager.
Wow.
And
One of the many.
I lost one of the many. So I had a lot of confidence on Voyager, and I was so disappointed after all this happened that I transferred my cryptos to Coinbase, and I never even opened the account for over a year and a half. I didn't even care what was there. I just forget about it. I said it's lost. Said the hell with it. And then last year, I had to recover my account because I even lost passwords and everything. So I had to do all the selfies, send it to the people and stuff. So I was able to recover some of the money, and now I'm getting back into it again. So I'm completely there's a lot of some new stuff from years ago But that was pretty much it. I just got disappointed at the system, like a lot of people did.
Yeah.
Kind of forgot about the crypto market, and I regret it because I lost a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
And he knows I can gamble,
Yeah.
right? He puts 100. I said, dude, I'm gonna put 4,000. I'm like that, you know. Remember that app on the TV? What was that called?
Oh, COTPS.
The OTPS.
I would never forget that
He's
one.
putting $500. I'm like, no, dude, I'm putting 4,000. Okay.
Oh man, when it comes to me, if it's super sketchy when it's a crypto, hey, I test it out. I don't want to get too
I take
wild.
chances. I don't care,
Yeah.
man. It's nothing but money. Comes and goes.